What's up, people? This time we are in a lavender garden. So this video we brings you one of the most beautiful lavender garden and another sunflower field in New Zealand. Remember, this is in Waikato region. So when you're traveling to New Zealand, especially North Island, especially if you're coming to the Waikato region, these two places are, you cannot miss that. You should visit. Alright, stay tuned, enjoy my video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and please like. That's the biggest help you can do in order to develop my channel. It'll help me heaps to post future videos too. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Peace. Enjoy.